Hi guys, you're on VM24.com and today we will disassemble the Realme C31. First of all, we need to take out the card tray. We take a special tool, put it in the hole, the mechanism pushes out the tray for two SIM cards and the memory card, and put it aside. Then we take a plastic tool, put it between the back cover and the display frame and slide it along, thereby detaching the clips that hold the back cover. At this point we have to be careful where the fingerprint sensor cable is located. And we can open the back cover. On the side of the back cover is the fingerprint sensor, which is connected by a cable to the motherboard. And we need to unscrew the screws at the top to detach the cover, disconnect the connectors and remove the back cover. To do this we use a Phillips #30 screwdriver, crosshead 1.5 mm. The screws are all the same. There are warranty stickers on the screws. The smartphone has not been disassembled before us. And now with a plastic tool we detach the cover. It is held on the hooks. There is nothing on the cover. We disconnect the battery connector with a plastic tool and disconnect the fingerprint sensor connector. And we unscrew the screws on the bottom. The screws are all the same, and one screw also has a warranty sticker on it. Then we detach the cover, gently prying it up. On the cover we have the loudspeaker presented. We disconnect the interboard cable connector, disconnect the coaxial cable connector. And now we can detach the subboard. The subboard is also held by a hook on one side. And we take it out gently. On the subboard we have the charging port, the microphone, the headphone jack port. And on the back side we have a hole for the microphone. We disconnect the main camera connector. We can't take it out yet because it's glued to the display frame, but we can disconnect the two rear cameras. We gently hook the connectors and disconnect them. Then we peel off the copper coating, passive heatsink for the front camera. Carefully peel it off and detach the front camera. Now we disconnect the display module cable connector and the interboard cable connector. And we can detach the coaxial cable so that it doesn't interfere with the detaching of the circuit board. Now we pick up the edge and detach the motherboard. The motherboard can be held slightly by the thermal paste glued on the inside. And so we have removed the printed circuit board. And traditionally, for Realme, there is a thermal paste on the back side. We can detach the main camera. To do this, we have to pass the tool under the body of the camera and gently pry it until it comes off. Now we detach the battery. We have a green label to pull on, and there is a transparent film that protects the cables under the battery. We pull the green label up and hold the display frame to the sides. If we can't, as in this example, pull the battery out right away, we don't need to put in extra effort to avoid breaking anything. Instead, we can use a thin film, pass it between the frame and the battery, and move the film back and forth and peel off the part of the adhesive that holds the battery. And after that, with a little effort, we can detach the battery. As you can see, we have removed the battery. And we can detach the vibration motor. To do this, we also have to pass the tool under the bottom of the vibration motor and gently lift it up to remove it. Don't remove the vibration motor from the side of the contact pads, it is glued there quite strongly. Okay, the assembly is done. In real time it will take up to 20 minutes. The real version of the disassembly with the pictures is already on our website. Thank you for watching and see you around. Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.